All right, hello, all my awesome Math 7 students. First, I just want to say great job on your first week back to quarter 4. A lot of you guys did an awesome job with participating and turning in all your assignments. Make sure you continue with that going forward. And please do not procrastinate, because once they start to build up, it gets overwhelming. So do it one assignment at a time. One thing I do want to remind you is that as you're watching this ed puzzle, you will be taking down notes / doing homework number 4. Make sure you title it homework number 4, and I need your first name and last name. If your first name and last name is not on the paper or it is not titled correctly, you will get points taken off, because I need to know who is turning in this piece of paper. Also, so as you're following along, like I said, you are going to take down the notes. I need you to take down formulas, the steps, and go through the examples with me. All right, so here we go. All right, so this is homework 4 / notes. So as we do this, you are also completing homework 4 at the same time. So you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. All right, so the formula, we're going to talk about trapezoids, area of a trapezoid, which is a shape with 2 bases. As you can see right here, it has 2 bases, and it has 2 diagonal sides going down the side. So here's the formula for a trapezoid. The formula for a trapezoid is area equals half of base 1 plus base 2 times your height, okay? So it's half times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So when we shorthand it, you're given these 2 formulas. I would suggest use this formula with the 0.5 because it's easier to use. So you have 0.5 times B1, which means base 1, plus B2, which means base 2, times H, which is your height. So that's the formula you need to be writing down right now. All right, here are your steps. So we are going to go through these steps right now. So I would probably pause the video and write down the steps. But the first step is to write down the formula. So for example 1, let's go ahead and go write down the formula. So double checking, our formula is 0.5 times B1 plus B2 times H. So here we go. Let's write that down every time so you can help yourself remember it. And then let's look at step 2. Well, step 2 is going to tell us to identify base 1, base 2, and the height. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so we need to identify base 1, base 2, and the height. So base 1, we'll put it up on top. There's base 1. And then base 2 will be at the bottom of our trapezoid. And our height is going to be 5 centimeters. So we have base 1, base 2, and the height. So we identified all of those. Now, step number 3, we're going to go ahead and substitute the values into the formula. So here we go. Alrighty, so we have area equals 0.5 times, well, base 1 we said is 4 centimeters, okay, plus base 2, which is 9 centimeters. And then we're going to multiply it by our height, which is 5 centimeters. Okay, so that was step 3. Now let's go to step 4 real quick. Okay, step 4, you're going to add first, and then second, you're going to multiply. It's really important that we add first. Remember, PEMDAS, we need to add first. So here we go. I'm going to do what's 4 centimeters plus 9 centimeters. That's going to give you 13 centimeters. And then I'm going to bring everything back down. So I have 0.5 times 13 times 5 centimeters. So first add, then multiply. So I'm going to multiply 13 centimeters times 5 centimeters, which if you throw that into the calculator gives you 65 centimeters squared. Remember, we're squaring it because it's area. And then don't forget to bring your 0.5 down. The last thing we need to do is throw this in your calculator. What's 0.5 times 65 centimeters squared? That will give you area equals 32.5 centimeters squared. All right, so there's the answer to example 1. So hopefully that helped walk you through it. Then we're going to do another one. Example 2, I want you guys to do on your own. So that is a problem you're going to do on your own. Okay, after watching that example, just follow the same steps. Same exact process as example 1, just different numbers. So follow the same thing, follow the steps. Okay, let's look at example 3. It looks a little bit different, but everything's the same. So let's just follow our steps that are above. Okay, step 1 is write down the formula. So I'm going to say area equals half times base 1 plus base 2 times our height. Okay, step 2, it says we need to identify our base 1, base 2, and our height. So I'm going to say 5 meters is base 1, 8 meters is base 2, it's at the bottom, and our height is 4 meters. Okay, again, base 1 is 5 meters, base 2 is 8 meters, and our height is 4 meters. All right, well, step 3 says substitute the values, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to substitute everything in. So area equals 0.5 times, well, what's base 1? We said it's 5 meters, plus base 2, which is 8 meters, times our height, which is 4 meters. There's step 3. Step 4, it says add first, right? We got to add first following PEMDAS. So 5 meters plus 8, which will give us 13 meters. We need to bring everything down. We're going to do times 4 meters times 0.5. So we added first. And now we're going to go ahead and multiply. So we need to multiply 13 times 4 meters. 13 meters times 4 meters, which will give us 52 meters squared. Bring down that 0.5. Last thing we need to do is what's 0.5 of 52 meters squared? That is going to give you 26 meters squared. So the area equals 26 meters squared. So there is the answer for that example as well. So again, the shape may look different, but the steps are still the same. It may look a little different, but everything is the same. So I'm going to have you do example number 4 on your own as well. Follow the step-by-step instructions that I just gave you. So same as number 3, but you're just going to have different numbers, okay? All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you do all 4 examples for homework as well as copy down the formula and the steps. Hopefully this helped break it down a little bit more, Miss Turner.